So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the hood and just show you what it looks like. So this particular iron remover and most iron removers that you use are gonna be it's gonna be clear as it goes on. And you wanna get a good spray bottle that's gonna mist properly. It's gonna apply it nice and even. And you're not gonna hurt anything if you get it on some plastic. If you get it on the glass, it's not the end of the world. It's actually gonna clean it really well. So we're just applying a nice even coat over the entire surface. All right. And then we'll work our way down to this quarter panel down here, right above the tires. And while we're at it, we're gonna go ahead and apply some iron remover to remove some of the brake dust on these rims. And then if you come back to the hood, you can start to see it's starting to turn purple. And so a lot of different iron removers that you use, typically purple, red. If you're using an effective iron remover, it's gonna change color after time. What it's doing is it's getting all of the metals, the toxins, all of the different iron fallout that's used a lot in road chemicals. So if you're using an effective iron remover, it's gonna change color as you're working, and you'll see it start to pull all of that iron out, all of that fallout, and it makes it for a nice clean surface. Of course, our next step is you're gonna wanna rinse this off and dry it properly before you move into the polishing and waxing portion of your detail.